Please stand by for an emergency broadcast. Please make sure your device is audible and wait for further information. This is an emergency broadcast from Channel 4. A possibility of a nuclear strike against this country is imminent. This is not a drill. You must follow these instructions to ensure your safety and survival. You must evacuate and take shelter right now. Collect all essential supplies such as food, clothing and water. Do not attempt to collect any personal belongings. Evacuations are taking place in London, Manchester, Liverpool and Yorkshire. You should go to your nearest shelter as fast as possible. Evacuations are taking place in London, Manchester, Liverpool and Yorkshire. You should go to your nearest shelter as fast as possible. Make sure you carry a battery-powered radio with you at all times, as the nuclear blast will cut off all internet and television services. Channel 4 will continue to update you for as long as possible. You may exit your shelter once the all clear has been given. Do not exit your fallout shelter until the all clear has been given. Doing so will result in sickness followed by death. Goodbye and good luck.